Want a trading indicator that shows trend strength and reversals in one glance? Meet the GMMA. Quick disclaimer: this is educational only. Always test strategies before risking real money. What is the Guppy GMMA? The Guppy GMMA, introduced by Daryl in trend trading, uses 12 EMAs, split into two groups. 1. Short-term, blue, made out of 3, 5, 8, 10, 12, 15. And 2. Long-term, red, made out of 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 60. The long-term EMAs showed the trend. The short-term EMAs give entry signals. How does it work? When the short-term EMAs cross above the long-term EMAs, it's a buy signal. When they cross below, it's a sell signal. Wide gaps between lines equals strong trend. Lines intertwining equals consolidation or weak trend. Now let's check out the checklists. For a buy: 1. Short-term EMAs cross above long-term. 2. Lines are spreading out, not tangled. 3. Trend confirmed by long-term EMAs pointing up. For a sell: 1. Short-term EMAs cross below long-term. 2. Lines widening downward. 3. Long-term EMAs confirming the downtrend. Want to master this and other Forex strategies? Check out my beginner's guide to Forex trading book plus a list of trusted brokers. Links are on the description below. Guppy GMMA is your trend radar. Watch the lines, catch the crossover, and ride the trend,